Welcome back to Raching Cars, your ultimate destination for detailed car reviews, modern upgrades, and next-gen automotive experiences. Today, we're diving deep into the modern modified new 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross, a perfect fusion of crossover practicality, aggressive styling, and technological evolution. The 2025 Corolla Cross receives a sharp exterior redesign with bolder body lines, an updated front fascia featuring a piano black mesh grille, and slim, aggressive LED matrix headlights. The modified version brings in a sportier stance with 18-inch black alloy wheels, flared fenders, smoked taillights, and a gloss black roof with integrated aero fins, giving it a truly dynamic urban SUV vibe. The new color palette includes sapphire blue and urban bronze matte, enhancing its presence on the road. Under the hood, the Corolla Cross retains the reliable 2.0L dynamic force engine with optimized tuning, now producing a punchier 175 horsepower. However, for performance enthusiasts, the hybrid variant steals the show with an EAWD system and a combined 196 horsepower, thanks to the upgraded electric motor. Paired with a responsive eCVT transmission, the car offers seamless acceleration with improved fuel efficiency, clocking nearly 42 mpg combined in hybrid trim. Inside, the cabin is reimagined for 2025 with enhanced materials, ambient lighting, and a floating 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Toyota's latest UI. Wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay come standard, along with a premium JBL audio system. The dashboard features digital instrument clusters and soft touch panels, while the seats are now wrapped in perforated leather with contrast stitching. Rear seats fold flat for increased cargo space, making it ideal for daily use and weekend getaways. The safety suite is bolstered with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, pedestrian detection, and blind spot monitoring. Parking is easier than ever with a 360-degree panoramic camera system and automated parking assist. What sets the modified Corolla Cross apart are the subtle tweaks like sportier suspension tuning, lower ride height for better handling, and custom exhaust tips with a throaty yet refined note. Add-on packages include roof racks, digital rearview mirror, and even a built-in dash cam system. That wraps up our in-depth look at the modern modified new 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross, a stylish, efficient, and tech-forward crossover ready for the future. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Raching Cars for more cutting-edge car content. Stay tuned for more exclusive reviews and drive safe.